Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will help you how to fix a geometry dash not opening in any iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and having problem that geometry dash keeps crashing on your iOS device, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, when you have open geometry dash and your app is not opening properly or having cache crashing problem, I'll help you how to fix this. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your settings, and guys, after this you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And after this you have to click on general, and guys, you need to click on software update. If you are using oldest version of iOS, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and make sure that you have selected your date and time on automatically. And after doing this you need to scroll it down. And guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, after this, maybe there is network problem, simply you have to reset your network settings. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. If guys still not fix your problem, you have to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search geometry dash. So guys, after searching this you need to open your geometry dash app, and guys, check for update. If your app is not updated, simply you need to update your app. And after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, from here you need to find your geometry dash. So guys, simply you have to scroll it below, and guys, find it. And guys, if not find, click on show all. And guys, as you can see, I have installed geometry lite. So guys, if you have installed geometry dash, you have to open that app, and guys, you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.